Meet Sam, a lovely leader who said yes to everything. Extra work, late hours, even covering for his team. Until one day, he snapped. Projects piled up, promises were broken, and his team lost trust. Why? Because he never learned to say no. When leaders say yes to everything, they overcommit, they burn out, and they start to lose trust because they actually can't deliver. Here are 4 ways to say no with confidence. The first one is to redirect a process. That's a great idea. Let's add it into the workflow so it's properly prioritised. The second one is boundaries with empathy. I know this really matters to you, but here's the limit I need to set so that the whole team can succeed. The third one is a strategic delay. Let me review priorities and circle back with a decision. Number 4 is yes with conditions. Yes, if we can just remove X and Y from the list of priorities, we can make sure that this gets the attention and focus that it deserves. Now, the tone actually matters more than the words do. So while you can come up with the perfect script, how you say it is going to make a big difference. Calm and steady no's, turn them into leadership rather than rejection. Take one of those scripts that I just went through and try and repeat them a couple of times. Shifting your tone from uncertain or fumbling to really clear. When you say no clearly, you build trust. This is because your team knows that you actually mean what you say. You're protecting your energy and their focus too. Which of those scripts will you try first? The redirect, boundary, delay, or conditional yes? Drop it below and commit to it this week. And thanks very much for watching.